Yapon mga idol.
Yes. Faster, you eat fast.
Okay. Mommy, mommy. Mommy, I got my other.
Saan na yung baso?
Ha?
May tubig. Saan na? Saan yung baso? Hindi ka naman ko baso diha. Okay, baso. Sige na diyan. I'll put here. Diyan sa pilit lang kaya na ang pagpilit. Sige na. Kasi na kayo will eat.
No!
Oh.
Mommy, I made this wrong.
Very good.
No, stop.
Di ako hindi ko kapal ko friend. Sa bigay kayo na ito ang babae. Nagbabuuna ko siya.
Mommy, I have her.
Very good.
Ano ka bunuuna dyan, miski?
Okay. Tama yung gato.
What was that?
Saan mga idol?
Eeyore? You must be around here.
Sabaw na siya itong sudan dyan mga idol.
They're trying to catch me, Lolly. Where did she go?
Tingnan lang manok mga idol.
She's gone.
Tingnan ka lang to eh.
Ah,
Thank you. I'm Lolly Pig, Lolly.
harap naman ang luto ng
I'm Luca.
lima ng kusinira mga idol.
Don't worry, she'll never look in here. Thanks, Lolly.
Thanks, Kelly, daw. Good, Ate Kelly.
No. What is that? It's beautiful, Lolly.
Thanks, Kelly.
Sabaw po saan nagsilim mga idol.
It's called a music box. Look. Wow, it's pretty. You know, I can see things too. It's so pretty when it spins. You're awesome, Lolly Pig. I'm glad that you like it, Lolly. You're a great
Very good.
magician. I can almost touch these beautiful
Yeah.
don't like it.
The movie? Let's change.
What's this, Lolly?
Huh? Okay, let's change.
It's the merry-go-round in the park. It's really cool.
Okay, choose.
Don't. Mommy, I ate
This one? Swiper?
Yes.
Swiper, no swiping. This one?
Yeah. Borrow his
Huwag kay kukuplong ako.
baby
Hindi ko
blanket.
ano.
Ooh, ooh.
Huwag ang bula.
Uh-oh. That sounds like Swiper the Fox. That sneaky fox
Papi
will
na
try to
libog.
swipe Tico's Kobe pizza. Uh-oh. You're too late. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man.
Lagi sa blind suit lang.
We can make
Ano to?
this float. Whoa.
Like me.
Tico's blanket is coming to you. You've got to catch it. Put your hands out in front of you